I look so crazy, y'all see how I look. But welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malaya, back with another YouTube video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the game. And if you're not, welcome back. Y'all, I look crazy, but I'm about to go run some errands real quick, and I'm going to bring y'all along with me. It's 11:20, so what I want to do is I want to get my car washed. Well, I'm going to go to the bank first and wash my car and vacuum it. What else I wanted to do? I'm probably gonna go to the grocery store. Ooh, my lips is dry. Oh no, I gotta go get me some lip gloss. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna bring y'all along. I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all just got done from the bank, and I'm going to the car wash. See, I went to right there. I got Wells Fargo. So yeah, now I'm going to go wash this car inside and out. Oh, I'm glad I went when I went, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, I'm about to go. Okay, so I'm at the car wash, and like there's a lot of Amazon cars, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it was like a lot in there. So the lady just told us that if we can wait, if we want to wait, she appreciated, because she want them to go first. Because I guess they built a lot of Amazon, because like there's a bunch over there too. I guess they just built these Amazon trucks, and they got to get cleaned. So y'all, I'm about to go into the car wash. I got the $10 one. Last time I got the $20 one, and it was not worth $20. Like, I'm looking crazy. I'm sorry, y'all, but yeah, I'm about to go in the car wash. This lady is running.
That's what it does. Rockstar, my swag on just honest. Everything is out of consciousness. Gold all of my neck, I'm just honest. Yeah, I'm just honest.
Alright, y'all, so I finally found a vacuum, because all these Amazon cars got all the vacuums, but the lady said we could come back and tell her that she sent us to come back because Amazon had took over. But I found me a spot, so I'm gonna see if this one works. But hopefully it do, because I don't have time. But okay, so the vacuum is not working. Like, I got to go. I got to go. Alright, so I'm not even gonna be at this car wash because this dang vacuum acting dumb. They need to upgrade this, because it's no sense. But I'm about to just go to this other vacuum, please. Let me see how I look in there. Oh, it look nice in there. Amazon van. Bye, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my next destination, wherever that is. Alright, I'm at the vacuum of my car. Real good too, because this last time I didn't really do that good. That ain't gonna slide. Okay, done with that. So now let's go to the store real quick. I'm gonna be back home by 1. Yeah, y'all better come along with me. So I made it to Publix. About to go in here and give me a sub and a couple things. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking crazy. Like, anyways, let me fix my hair real quick actually. Okay, that's much better. These edges, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go in Publix.
Should I assume you know exactly how you said it? You know exactly how you meant it. Should I assume it's an sweet position, kitchen position, talking submission? Should I assume it's a weekend thing? You get ass all week, dropping that ass, just think about me, and it sound good. What's the difference if it sound good? What's the difference if it's still good? What's the difference if it's still good? Just not sure, exclusivity used to be all good. I need all, no, it's all bad. I need all credit, all bad.
So it is the next day. Y'all saw me work out. So right now I'm about to go to the mall real quick and get a few things, and then yeah, I gotta go to work after. So yeah, but I'm headed to the mall now. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Alright y'all, so I'm at the mall. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I got. So from Victoria's Secret. Hold on, let me start my car up. I got lotion and a perfume. And the perfume, I got the pink one last time and they did not have it in there. So I was like, what the heck? So I had to get this one. Ooh. So I got that. $28. Like, this stuff is not cheap. Then I got a vanilla bean candle. Ooh, baby, that shit smells so freaking good. And then I got a hand cream, well, body cream, travel size. Got this for free. So I went in those stores because I had coupons. When I go in those stores, just know I got coupons. But y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Your girl gotta go to work. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the family, the gang, period, everything. Okay, we're over here, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.